Welcome to PageFly template instruction video. In this video, you will learn how to customize the DigiSnap template in your own style. This is a product page that is suitable for any tech store. To start, from your PageFly dashboard, head to Pages and choose Product Pages. I will click this button named Create from a Template. In the Template Library pop-up, search for DigiSnap. Click on it, and then hit the Select Template button. This is how the template looks like in the page editor. The first section should contain information about your product. Click on the Product Details element, then head to the General tab. You'll see the product source is custom. Select the product you want. The editor will look like this. Let's customize this section. You can edit the styling of all the elements here in the Styling tab, including content color, spacing, font family, etc. For example, I want to make the price stand out more. Click on it, then go to the Styling tab and change the font size. I want to make it bold, so I'll click here. Or you can go to More Settings and select the font weight you want. You can do the same with other text elements. Let's head to the product variant. You can choose from 3 types of variants display here: drop-down menu, radio buttons, and variants image. Or you can use option swatches by turning off the combine options. You can watch our video tutorial about option swatches. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now I'll spend a few minutes customizing the product variant. Okay, next is the product quantity element. You can see that the quantity field is not aligned with the quantity buttons. Click on the product quantity element, go to the Styling tab, scroll down to the display parameter and choose Flex. In Align Items, choose Center. You can change the color of the Add to Cart button in the Styling tab. I'm going to customize the styling of the text inside the button and the product quantity element. Now let's head to the product media element. Click on it, and go to the General tab. In Default Media Source, you can choose from 3 options: Default Variant Media, Featured Media, and First Variant Media. Scrolling down, you can select the action when hovering on the media. Here I'll choose Enable Image Magnifier. Next is Media Click Action. You can choose Link to Product, Show Media Gallery, or just none. There are also 3 options in Media List: None, Dot, and Image. You can adjust the list position, list layout, items per slide, and item spacing. You can turn this option on to show badge, and change badge's position. I'll turn this off for now. Alright, let's come to the HTML video element. I don't want to keep it here, so I'll delete it. I'll also delete this section. Then, I'll add some trust badges under here. Let me show you a quick way to do this. Click on this plus icon here and the sections pop-up will appear. PageFly have a wide range of pre-made sections for you to choose from. Select Trust Badge in the categories on the left. I'll choose this section. Then I'll drag the content list element into the product details element. Now all you need to do is to customize the styling to your preference. Easy, right? You can check out our video tutorial about the pre-made section in the description below. You can add a click action to these content list items, so when your customers click on it, It'll redirect them to your shipping or return policies. And that's it. Next, I'll add a full width section. Add a background image. Click on More Settings, choose Center for background position, and Cover for background size. I'll add an overlay color on the background image. Head back to the spacing parameter to increase the height of the section. Then I'll add a paragraph element. I'm going to change the content and edit the styling of the paragraph. Next, I'll add an image element right under the paragraph. In the General tab, select the image you want from the Image Manager. You can change the width and height of the image to reduce its size. Then I'll select the column and head to the Styling tab. In the spacing parameter, I'll set a padding for the column to push the paragraph and the image to the right. Next up, I'll add a button element. And I'll customize its styling. Now, I want to add a click action to this button, so when the customers click on it, it'll scroll to the next section. First, I'll rename this section. Select the section, then go to the General tab, scroll down to Attributes, and click on More Settings. You can rename the section here. Alright, go back to the button element. In the General tab, head to Click Action, choose Scroll to Section. And then select the section you just rename here. In the next section, we have a tab element. You can click on these tab headers, and then edit the content and styling in each tab content here. I don't want to show a Testimonials tab here, so I'll delete it. Instead, I'll add a Reviews section under this section later. Let's customize the Related Product section first. Click on the Product List element and head to the General tab. The product source is Custom Collection. Select the collection you want here. You can adjust other options below, such as items per loading, items per row, item spacing, loading mode, and exclude current product. You can see that the last product is not aligned with other products. Don't worry, just select the product title, and go to the Styling tab. Scroll down to the CSS code, and add this code. You can change the value of min height to your liking. You can also edit the styling of all the elements in the product list. Product media, product title, product price, and product add to cart. I'm just gonna fast forward this part. Now, I'll add a Reviews section. You can add a pre-made section by clicking on this plus icon here. Select the Testimonials category and choose a pre-made section you want. Okay, now all you need to do is customize this section to your liking. After you finish, remember to check your page one more time. Then click Save and Publish to check your page on live view. If you don't want to publish your page yet, you can save the page and check it on preview mode. I'll click Save and Publish. Put the name of the page here. Then assign the page to the products you want, and hit Publish. Finally, hit Live View to check the result. This is the end of the video instruction. You can find the link to our list of PageFly templates in this video description. If you need any assistance, reach us via 24/7 in-app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.